shouldn't have come back, Flynn.
Hey, it's the big master control program everybody's been talking about.
Sit like that. Make yourself comfortable. Remember the time we used to spend playing chess together? That isn't gonna do you any good, Flynn, I'm afraid. Stop. Please. You realize I can't allow this.
Now how you gonna run the universe if you can't even answer a few unsolvable problems? Huh? Come on, big fella, let's see what you got.
I'd like to go against you and see what you are made of.
You know, you don't look a thing like your pictures.
I'm warning you. You're entering a big error, Flynn. I'm gonna have to put you on the game grid.
Games? You want games? I'll give you games. Oh man, this isn't happening. It only thinks it's happening.
Vacate entry port program. I said
Hey! Look, if this is about those parking tickets, I can explain everything, okay?